I'm going to be teaching you a new topic called ratio. What's a ratio? A ratio is a comparison of two or more things. The things that you're going to be comparing could be humans, animals, plants, anything. Now let's look at a small example. I'm drawing some circles. And then I'm also drawing some triangles. How many circles do I have? 3. And how many triangles do I have? 4. Now I want to compare the number of circles that I have with the number of triangles I have. There are 3 circles and 4 triangles. Now how do I represent this as a ratio? There is a particular symbol that you need to use between the two numbers to say that it is a ratio. The symbol is a colon. A colon is 2 dots one below the other. And we read it as is to. Okay? Now how do we read the whole number with the colon together? 3 is to 4. So when I say 3 is to 4 and I use the circles and triangles along with that, it means I'm comparing the number of circles I have with the number of triangles that I have, and the ratio is 3 is to 4. The next point that I want to teach you about ratio is that while making this comparison, you have to remember that the two quantities that you're comparing have something in common. For instance, let me draw a circle and let me draw some triangles. Do you think I can compare these two? Yes, because what is common between circles and triangles is that they are both shapes. Again, let me give you one more example. I'm going to draw apples and mangoes. Can I compare them? Yes, again because they are both fruits. They may be different fruits, but something common between them is that they are fruits. Okay, now I'm going to draw one more thing. I'm drawing a red color stick. And I'm drawing a little boy standing next to that. He's smiling at all of you. Now, do you think I can compare the stick with the boy? No. Why? Because there is nothing common between them. The stick is a non-living thing, whereas the boy is something living, right? So I cannot compare them. I'm going to make something, improvise on this drawing to show that they can be compared. Now I'm going to draw the red stick again. I'm going to draw the boy again, but this time I'm going to use black color to draw the boy. Again, I'm going to draw a boy next to this stick. And then I'm going to red color again, and I'm going to draw sticks next to this boy as well. I've drawn 4 sticks here. Now, do you think I can make some comparison between these two? Yes, of course. Let's call this first boy as A and the second boy as B. There's one boy this side, there is another boy on the side. So you can't compare the boys because they are both the same. The word comparison comes about only when things are different in number as well. So there is something else that the boys are having. The first boy A has 1 stick and the boy B has 4 sticks. So I can definitely make a comparison between the sticks that they have. So how do I write it? A has 1 stick and B has 4 sticks. So by putting in a colon between 1 and 4, I have made a ratio between the sticks boy A and boy B have. Do you understand? In ratio, the order is very important. The order in which the components appear in the story should be the order in which you write the ratio as well. For instance, if I say I have 3 triangles and 5 circles, I have to write the ratio as 3:5 because triangle appeared first in my story. I cannot express it as 5:3. Supposing you say, how do I write 5:3 then? Then you have to bring the circles first and then the triangles and say 5:3. To sum up what we have learned so far, ratio is a comparison of 2 or more things with something common between them. Secondly, the numbers used to represent the ratio should be in the same order as given in the story.